Okay, so first you draw for this drawing. Okay, the circle shapes is like small circle. We are creating one character. So see, we are creating first the circle like this, very small, but the circle is very perfect. Okay, like this. ও বেটা রাবার দেবে, রাবার ইরেজার দেবে? আপনার কাছে নেই, একদম দাও না, একটা খুব দরকার। হ্যাঁ দাও না, একটা খুব দরকার। Okay, make it circle like this. Okay, proper circle. After the circle, okay, dhyan se. After the circle, so you think about that this is a like a cylinder. Like if you draw some cylinder like this, some stick or some cylinder like this. Okay, you think about that, how it is coming. Okay, you just think about it's a cylinder like this type of cylinder from. Okay, if you see, okay, this cylinder like this. So now what is happening, if you create after that this cylinder is not do this line, if you do this, okay, just like this. Okay, aram se just make it like this. Okay, you imagine what bird it is. I not tell you. I want to make one bird. Today's topic is a birds. Okay, birds. Okay, but the birds I take the famous animation movie is called the Rio, and that all character drawing the great artist is called the Nathan Fuchs. Okay, one Disney artist. So now do this very simple. Srijani, you start right, beta. Srijani, are you here? Okay, fine. So first these steps I show the first the normal steps and then I finalize. Okay, this is first steps, and here in down part here I can create like this. Okay, this lower beak. Okay, one curve line like this. Okay, and join like this, aram se, and this. So here the lower curve line. Okay, this is the beak only, but what's happening in this beak? Okay, you can see this one thing here, the tongue, small tongue like this. Yeah, because bird also have tongue, right? You can make some.
What kind of bird is this? It looks like a monster.
Yes. So now I do this. Here, this part of the bird, this part is actually black color. Okay, this part is a black color. For pencil drawing, I show first before the black color. These parts. Okay.
Everything you know is in your mind.
So now here in this circle, if you half it in this circle, if you half it, okay, here the position half. Okay, here the position you can create here. This is called, okay, here you can put the,
Perfect. Do you like my pinky eraser?
yes, here I can draw the eyes. See, I draw the eyes. It's little bigger eyes. It looks little bit of human kind of eyes, right? But okay, here make it like this. Aram se eyes. And this bird have hair, that much hair. Okay, but we are going to hear before later on. we just add something, one thing. This is called the I add some oval. Okay, I add some oval like this. Once more, oval I use over here. Fine. So we are doing only the 4 different things for drawing. Either circle, either oval, either square. Any shapes like this square. Okay. So in this world, these 3 only the basic shapes. Only these 3. Okay. Fine.
So is this a toucan?
Yes. So now I make some oval shape on body like here. Okay, this kind of shape. See, very simple shape. Is that difficult or easy? Oval shape. I just make it here. One oval shape. Okay. And I add the neck. After the oval shape, see, this is like exactly oval like this. Okay, right? This is exactly oval like this, very simple. And this oval shapes, I add the neck like this. Fine. And here we can make the 2 legs come from this. 1 leg come from here, like this. 1. And 1 leg come from here, like this. This 2 legs over here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is 3. Here. Okay, very simple. And 2 hand coming from here. 1 hand from here, 1 hand from here. This is 2 hand. Okay. So 1 hand here.
I don't think birds have hands.
As like we are called that wings. Okay.
Birds have wings, not hands. That's silly.
Yeah, hands we are called that wing. It is wings actually. This is I call hand because I want to explain that the all character. Okay. Yes, beta. Yeah, bad is not hand. Yeah, bad is not hand. Yes, you are absolutely correct. Bad it's a no hand. Okay. So, but I want to say that if you see this character, so from this is a head, this is the head, this is the body. Okay, in this body part, and see this is the body. In body part, the hand is coming from these 2 sides. Okay, this is supposed to human, but if you want to make the flying and flying and flying, okay, see this is like a the bird is like a wings. This is 2 like a wings. Okay. Okay.
I always draw birds.
Yeah. See, supposed to is human. Okay. Human also wings start from the this shapes. Okay, beta. So this is 2 leg. See, here start the leg. Okay, and here start the hand. So bird also 2 leg, 2 hand. But bird hand convert to the wings. Okay, the body structure is the same. Convert to the wings. Okay, if you want to go animals, also do the same. Okay, animals also the same thing. This is the 2 leg, this is 2 hand. But animals is a 4 leg animal. We are telling 4 leg. But basically this is like a hand. And one more thing, if you go to the T-Rex, this T-Rex also, this is also hand, but it's not convert to the leg. Okay, it's still a hand. They are not using this. So that's the reason. Okay, recording. So now you will understand why it is I call hand. This is because in the structure, human structure. Okay, so now after that, what I doing? I just making over here. This is okay. Here we can create one wings. Convert to the wings. Okay, so wings like this. Okay, this is our wings. I convert over here. Aram se.
Are you all my
Fine.
personal dreams?
And I can create over here another wings like here. Okay, like this. This is simple. But we can create okay here simple wings like this. Okay, we convert to the wings. And I convert to the leg. This is 1, 2, 3, and one finger is the back side. So okay, to the balance the character. Okay, beta. So we are creating. This is one very famous movie. You know, I tell you that the Rio.
So can you move your camera a bit side?
Which side? What side? That's visible. Okay. So now I just add over here the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like here, this is I convert to the here this part. Okay.
Are you all my personal
Oh, dile rubber dile? No, রবার পাচ্ছে না। আরে অঙ্কন এখান থেকে আসে এসে ধরে দিয়ে খেলে রবারটা দিয়ে এটা দিয়ে কোথায় রাখে আমি খুঁজে পাই না বারবার নেই নেই তো
know is in your mind?
নেই তো বাস হয়ে গেল রবারটা একটা বাঞ্চ কিনে নিয়ে আসবো কিন্তু এই মুহূর্তে না। So now we can create that color also. So first we are making this outline. Okay. So this is sharp. Okay, edge like this. Understood, beta? With a simple line like this, we are creating. Okay, creating this. Now you understood more better. Okay, eyebrow. Usually you not see the eyebrow and all those things in bird, but in cartoon form we can make it very nicely these parts. Okay, so
Ma'am, Rohit sir's ID is
like this. Okay, when you go this.
Okay, so ma'am, this video is like 40 seconds.
Like this you can create over here. Okay, so this is you can create the you know wings. So you can create that here. Like this. Okay, so we are not it is not visible that much this part, the wings. Okay, back wings. Okay, Uh,
Everything you know
yes,
is in your mind.
it looks good, beta. We are creating this. This part is a dark color. Okay, we just go ahead to color like this. Okay, so if you want to use to color, you can do once more drawing. Is color it, and now I just erasing this all pencil line drawing. So it is, if you, I erase it because I need to color very nicely. So otherwise, the pencil color and the pastel color mixed is coming black, little dirty. So that's why I draw with the pencil, and I erasing all of pencil line drawing,
Are you all
so you
my
can
person?
create very nicely color. Okay, so you are doing with the pastel color or crayon color or pastel color, whatever you have comfortable. Okay, you are creating these things. Okay, fine. So now I just make it. Okay, so slowly and nicely you can create. Here is I create this is tongue of this bird. Okay, so very simple. Only this bird upper part. This part is yellow. We are putting the lemon yellow. Okay, this is lemon yellow. I using over here. In top of it, here I can use this part also lemon yellow. Okay, and I use little bit of shading for orange color. If you put orange, it's little reddish shades. We will put the reddish shades. Okay.
What is the name of this bird?
What is the name of the bird?
Yes, sir.
It's some horn.
The toucan.
Yeah.
Are
This
you
is
all my person?
this bird. I forgot that name.
The
Toucan.
toucan.
Yeah. This big horn. This is.
It's a tropical bird.
Yes. Very nice. Thank you so much. Lovely. You're
Everything you
absolutely
know is in
perfect.
your mind.
Correct. We do over here the gray color. Basically it's a black, but I not use the black directly. We are creating first the gray color. Uh, like this.
Sir, actually, I don't think toucan's beak is yellow. Toucans have rainbow color.
Yeah. This is.
Actually, toucan beaks are yellowish orange, and toucan skins can be kind of rainbow color.
Yes.
Green and
Yeah, it's a different, but mostly orange and yellow's orange, but different categories have also um, colors, different in Indian, and Australian and African is something different. So we are creating over here this gray color, okay, in this bird. So I show how that movie are using. Maybe it's black or green, whatever. But in this movie, they are using the orange and reds, and the here using this black and gray. So I am follow these things. Okay, the topic is the Rio, the animation movie, dedicates with the birds only. It's a very awesome movie. I like that.
Sir, do you know what the name of the toucan is on the animation movie?
No, beta, tell me. I don't know.
I don't know. Do you know the name?
Very nice. So you can move it that, and after that This is the white part, and this part we are creating this black. Okay, so this part is very interesting part is like the horn is very big horn that's so you can create
Are you all my personal dreams?
crayon color. This is oil pastel I'm using for this drawing. Okay, that part, the actually blue, the
In your mind.
leg part is not green or gray. You can red part is the blue only. Okay, so we are using this. Okay, now I giving few more time, 2 minutes. We can go ahead to another drawing. Okay, so if you are finished next 2 minutes or 5 minutes, we can go the next drawing also. Once more drawing, we can do color and drawing. Okay, is it okay now? We have create one drawing more. Fine. So this is the Rio movie. I using somewhere white color,
Personal dreams.
some area. Okay, here and there I create some white strokes. Some structures is happen here. I using somewhere highlights. Okay, here also if you want to wish, you can use like this. Okay, it's called the highlights. I use white color. Okay, so basically we're creating this character. Okay, so I just make it one scenario with the backgrounds. Okay, like very fast. You just take the orange color and make it like this. Okay, the side and this and mark with the your finger. This part, yeah, you first put the gray color, take the gray color and do like this. After gray color, you take the black color and do the down part is a black. Okay, this is the brown part, and you mix it with that with your finger. You do mix it like this. Okay, it's so quite easy. I make some scenery
All my personal dreams.
and with the background, so it looks that bird are standing. Okay, one area. That's what movie are using this.
Everything you know is in your mind.
Here's I show you. Okay, how and the shadow of this bird. Okay, maybe this is
But
a,
usually slogans are not just blue and gray and yellow. They're very colorful.
yeah, it's really colorful, but
They're green and orange in sorts of colors. They're
yes.
not just colors.
Yes, we are just make it that movie or whatever I'm using. That movie are showing like this, so we are using this. Okay, done ready. I make it one. Finish. All of you finish. Where I just
Personal dreams.
wait for you guys. If you finish, yes, better. Fierce. I wait. I wait more 5 minutes. Okay, then we are going to. Okay, another drawing. No need to draw this bird and all. I just make it for fun. Okay, so you can see this composition. Okay, here.
I'm done, sir.
Wow, that's great.
Daddy, do you want to keep that drawing now?
Yes, better. I can go ahead the next after 5 minutes. Okay, some shiny and other students are finish it off. All of you just show if you finish your drawing. Please